Hello, everyone. Uh, Today, I would like to introduce you all to Surbi Chopra. She has cleared one of the prestigious examinations that is NEET with a very good rank. I would like to congratulate you, Surbi, on accomplishing this success.
Thank you so much, sir. I have been NEET aspirant since last 2 years and I recently appeared for NEET 2020, wherein I secured an all India rank of 1435.
Okay, Surbi. So, Surbi, आपने पीसीबी लिया था, राइट?
Like,
तो आपको ये कब पता चला कि मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है?
hmm, like there was no particular instance when I decided to be a doctor. Like from the very beginning, I was always inclined towards science and human physio. I was keen of exploring more and more about it. So I went with the flow. And before choosing this field, I asked myself three questions like, was it fulfilling? Will it make me happy? And will it satisfy my curiosity? So the answer to all this was yes. So I went with the flow.
ओके, सुरभि. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है, सुरभि, कि आपकी जर्नी नाइन्थ क्लास से कैसी रही? क्योंकि क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे बच्चे नाइन्थ क्लास से आके ही अपनी स्ट्रीम चेंज करने लगते हैं, या पता चल जाता है कि हाँ इधर जाना है मुझे.
Like as I already
कैसे?
stated,
हाँ, मुझे.
it was something of my interest. So the whole journey from ninth to present was really amazing for me. And like from ninth onwards, I was more into my studies. So in ninth, I got the award for academics. In tenth, I got a scholarship as well of 8,000 rupees for securing 10 CGPA. So this boosted my confidence and then I thought that I would crack NEET also, like such a good exam, competitive exam, tough competitive exam. So I decided to choose PCB in 11th. Then in 12th, beside like preparing for boards, I also gave time to solving questions for NEET as well. But in my first attempt, I got 360 marks with my self study. Then, as I already planned to take a drop next year to prepare for NEET 2019, then I took coaching, prepared for it, but that year was not good for me, or you can say that my preparation was not that well to get to secure a government college. Then I was like, at that point, I was shattered because I secured 523 marks in that exam, NEET 2019. I got a little nervous. Then my family and my friends supported me, and I took a major decision of taking another drop for NEET to 2020. And I start preparing for it, and now I'm here.
ओके, सुरभि. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि आप बुक्स कौन सी सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं बच्चों को कि उनको एक बूस्ट मिले अपनी प्रिपरेशन में?
Like in my preparation phase, I never confined myself to just one book. Like I read many
ओके.
books, but I would suggest all other students to keep NCRT at the topmost priority. Like it's a sum of all the other books. Uh, for bio, you must read it in 2 days at least for before you appear for the exam, like 20 to 25 times for bio. For physics and chemistry, you can read it 2 or 3 times, mark the important point, and I would recommend you to solve many questions, as many questions as possible, to get your concepts clear and to apply it as well. For physics, I use DC Pandey and modules of Coaching Institute. And for chemistry, I would strongly recommend NCRT at your fingertips.
ओके. सो और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, सुबह कि आप पेपर सॉल्व करते टाइम क्या स्ट्रेटजी रखती थी? जैसे आपको अगर एग्जामिनेशंस में अगर पेपर सॉल्व करना है नीट नीट के लिए, तो उसके लिए क्या स्ट्रेटजी थी? और अब जब आप मॉक लगाते थे उसके लिए क्या स्ट्रेटजी थी?
Whenever I practice paper, I follow three rules. First of all, I try to maintain the environment like that I'm going to get in the exam, like a silence and a chair and table, like that proper way. And secondly, I keep a timer of 2.5 hours rather than of 3 hours, so that I would get half an hour to rectify my silly mistakes, whatever I have committed in the exam. And third, I would always try to uh, attempt that exam in the duration of 2 to 5 p.m. so that I get habituated to that period. Uh, this was my strategy.
ठीक है, सुबह. सुबह, तो व्हाट इज योर स्ट्रेटजी फॉर सॉल्विंग फिजिक्स? एज यू नो, बहुत सारे बच्चे मतलब फिजिक्स के नाम से मतलब मेजोरिटी ऑफ द पीपल उनको लगता है कि फिजिक्स बहुत टफ है. तो
Yeah,
ऐसा
physics
क्या
physics
है?
seems to be tough to medical, especially. Yeah.
हाँ, तो मतलब ऐसा मतलब क्या किया जाए कि बच्चों का मतलब डर निकाला जाए, या उनके लिए अलग से क्या स्ट्रेटजी रहती है?
Yeah, it was one of my weakest subject as well, but I conquered that fear with practice or with practicing the questions. Like once you get familiarized with the concept, it is no longer that difficult. So to get to master in physics, you must practice as many questions as possible from the good material as well. That's necessary.
अच्छा ठीक है। अच्छा ऐसा होता है कि मतलब पहले एनसीईआरटी पढ़ लें या बाद में पढ़ लें, ऐसा भी कुछ होता है क्या?
No, first of all, you should get concept. For that, you can read any book, whatever you find easy or convenient for you, from wherever you get the concept. That matters. Whether it's
जैसे
NCRT or any
फर्स्ट
other.
थिंग
Like
इज
I, beside reading NCRT, I used to consider SL Arora as well. Like its theory is little easy to remember and to get to understand that actually.
ओके। सो मेन थिंग इज दैट कि कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर होने चाहिए हमारे,
Yeah.
उसके बाद आप एनसीईआरटी पे फोकस करो तो
Yeah.
ठीक है ना? ठीक है। तो आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि हाउ मेनी आवर्स डिड यू स्टडीड इन 11th 12th एज कंपेयर्ड टू लास्ट 2 years?
Like first of all, number of hours doesn't matter at all. Like quality of your study matters. Like one student can complete a topic in 1 hour and the other would take 3 or 4 hours to do the same. So quality matters and doesn't matter the number of hours. But to get done with all the three subjects in a day, you must give in 8 to 10 hours. Like in the
8 to 10
beginning,
hours.
yeah. But later on, as you get near to your exam, you can devote 13 to 14 hours as well, depending on your dedication.
ओके ठीक है।
But you must
सो
take
आवर
breaks as well. You must also remember that you have to take breaks to refreshen your mind. Like it's also important along with the studies.
ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि बच्चे मतलब पढ़ते रहो, है ना?
Yeah.
तो आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि हाउ डिड योर पेरेंट्स एंड मेंटर्स प्ले अ रोल इन योर जर्नी?
Obviously, they played a crucial role in my journey. Without mentioning them, it would be incomplete. And whenever I face any difficulty, I'll always rely on my mentors. And my parents always supported me. So, yes, they played a very crucial role in the journey. Without them, I won't be able to make it.
ओके सुरभि। सो आवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि जैसे आप डॉक्टर अब बनने वाले हैं, ठीक है? तो आप मतलब सोसाइटी के लिए आप अब क्या हेल्प करेंगे? क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स यू नो दे आर नेक्स्ट टू गॉड, आप लोग मतलब लाइफ सेवियर्स हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ कि सोसाइटी को मतलब बेनिफिट हो।
To be a doctor is a kind of golden opportunity that I got. So I would obviously use this opportunity to serve the mankind, and especially that section of society who financially could not afford the good treatment. So I would try to help them out
ओके
with
सुरभि।
whatever skills
तो
I have.
okay, you will develop good skills, Surbhi.
Yeah.
So that was all, Surbhi. Thank you very much for sharing your journey with us. And once again, a big congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Surbhi.